Welcome all of you. In this video, we discuss the introduction of accounting. Before going for the meaning of accounting, it is necessary to understand the introduction of accounting. The accounting is the business language between the owner and user of financial statement. It is the communication between the business and user of financial statement. The user can understand what is the financial position of a particular business organization. Even means the owner is also capable understanding of a business structure and business position. That's why an accounting is an important topic for us. Now we discuss what we mean by accounting. Accounting is recording, classifying, summarizing, presenting, and interpretation of financial transactions. Now we see the definition. Now we discuss this definition in detail. First one, accounting is a recording. Accounting is a recording means writing down the financial transaction in a set of books. Means cash payment, cash receipts, purchase, sales, whatever it may be. Recording means writing down the transaction by using the electronic devices or manual bookkeeping, manual writing the transaction in a set of books. Sales, purchases, payments or receipts are happened in a business entity. Those transactions are to be written down in a financial statement in set of books. That is recording. When you have made the sales transactions are to be recorded in set of books, means in a separate sales register or sales ledger. When you have received the cash from the customer, you have to record the transaction for the receipt of cash from customer in the respective customer ledger. That is recording. Accounting is a recording. Next one, accounting is a classification. The classification is very important to the accountant. Why it is important to the accountant? Without having the classification of accounts, without having the knowledge of classification, it is very difficult to the accountant to write the transaction, to prepare the financial statement. And also, it is very difficult to take a decision by the owner. Classification means grouping of a transaction in a systematic manner. Means incomes are separated, expenses are separated, fixed assets are separated, liabilities are separated. It is a classification. And also direct expenses, indirect expenses, direct income, indirect income, assets means current assets, investment, fixed assets, means this is a classification. By taking one example, we can understand the importance of classification. In the preparation of a profit and loss account, generally we take indirect income and indirect expenses in a profit and loss account. In a trading account, we take only direct income and direct expenses in a trading account. It is the base of the preparation of financial statement. Recording is means the classification is the base for the preparation of a financial statement. Now, come to the accounting is a summarizing. Accounting is a summarizing means adding, subtracting of financial transaction. It is meant that all incomes are to be added, all expenses are to be added. We deduct all expenses out of total income, then we will get net profit or net loss. It is a result of summarizing. And also, we add all the assets and also we add all the liabilities. We can come to conclusion what is the difference between assets and liabilities. We can conclude what is the financial position of organization. This is a summarizing. Next one, presenting. Presenting is the information, presenting the financial information in a systematic way. It is not only the owner to understand the financial position, it should be available to the user to understand the financial position. The user can understand the financial position of the organization. How it is possible? It will be available to the user of a financial statement. It is meant that financial statements are to be prepared in a systematic manner. Already know that the incomes are taken at credit side, means the right side of profit and loss account and trading account. The expenses are taken at debit side, means left side of trading account and profit and loss account. The assets are taken at right side of balance sheet. The liabilities and capital are taken at left side of balance sheet. It is presenting the information. By preparation of the financial statement, internal user and external user should understand the whole financial position of organization. When it is possible to understand the financial position of organization, anybody can take the decisions immediately. If it is difficult to take the decisions by seeing the financial statement, it is not good presenting. That's why presenting the financial information in a systematic manner, that is the most important in accounting. Next one, what is that? Accounting is recording, classifying, summarizing, presenting. Last one, interpretation of financial information. Interpretation means decision making. Accounting is a interpretation of financial information. After preparation of a profit and a loss account and balance sheet, the owner of a financial statement, the owner of a business organization can understand, can take the decision whether the business is to be closed or not, whether the new product is to be produced or not, whether the new business activities are to be taken with the existing business activities or without existing business activities. By taking the result of a financial information, we can take any decisions. It is very helpful to the business owner to take the decisions in business entity. That's why the accounting is recording, classifying, summarizing, presenting and interpretation of a financial transaction. That's why in this video we have discussed the introduction of accounting, means the accounting meaning in a detail. It will be very helpful to the student. Why is it necessary to study the accounting? Thank you, one and all.